Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available in the market. Today, we're talking about the JR.DM Beaded Bracelet, and let me tell you, it's the best Smiley Beaded Watch Band for your Apple Watch. This accessory is the perfect blend of fun, fashion, and function. Whether you're looking to add some personality to your iWatch, or simply want a more comfortable, stylish alternative to traditional bands, this one's a standout. First, let's talk about the design. The JR.DM Beaded Bracelet features colorful, non-fading polymer clay beads that add a lively pop to your Apple Watch. From smiley faces to hearts, flowers, stars, and even lucky clovers, the design is both playful and eye-catching. It's more than just a watch band, it's like wearing a little piece of jewelry that makes your Apple Watch stand out in the crowd. This band comes in 3 different sizes to fit various wrist sizes comfortably. The small size fits wrists from 5.3 to 5.8 inches, the medium from 5.8 to 6.3 inches, and the large size fits wrists from 6.3 to 6.9 inches. The stretchable material ensures that no matter your wrist size, you won't have to worry about it being too tight or too loose. The stretchiness of the band provides a comfortable, secure fit throughout the day, so you won't be constantly adjusting it. Now, let's get into compatibility. The JR.DM Beaded Bracelet is made for a wide range of Apple Watch models. Whether you have an Apple Watch Series 1 all the way through to Series 10, including SE models, this band will fit perfectly. It's available in sizes for 38mm, 40mm, 41mm, and 42mm watches, so no matter which model you have, you can easily snap this band onto your device. Another feature I love about this band is how lightweight it is. Even though it's made of sturdy beads, it won't weigh you down, making it perfect for long hours of wear. Plus, the metal lugs on either end of the band lock securely onto your Apple Watch, ensuring that your watch stays in place while you go about your day. This band is more than just a pretty accessory, it's also versatile. Whether you're dressing up for a special event, hitting the beach, or just running errands, this beaded band adds a fun and colorful touch to any outfit. It's also a fantastic gift idea for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, or just because. The playful design and comfortable fit make it a great choice for anyone who loves to add a bit of flair to their look. In terms of durability, the polymer clay beads are both flexible and long-lasting, ensuring that this band will stay looking great for a long time. It's easy to care for too, just wipe it down when it gets dirty, and it'll stay looking vibrant. Plus, because it's made from high-quality materials, the band is resistant to fading, so those smiley faces and heart designs will continue to shine. To wrap up, the JR.DM Beaded Bracelet is the best Smiley Beaded Watch Band for your Apple Watch. It combines fashion, comfort, and durability, with a fun, colorful design that's sure to make your Apple Watch stand out. If you're looking for a watch band that's more than just functional, this one is perfect for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.